no drip this. Tell them run it up.
What's up? What's going on, YouTube? I am Augustine Versace. This is O'Neil Media. And as always, you are awesome. Now today, got an unboxing. Ooh, you know what time it is. But before I tell you what time it is with my unboxing, I want to show you something. This right here is an iPhone 11. This for the past year has been my daily driver. I love this thing. Amazing, right? Cool. But as we know, Apple has released 4 new phones. First of which is, I start from the bottom, work my way up. You have the phone that has just been released today, which is the iPhone 12 mini. Then the next phone that you have is the standard iPhone 12. And then you go from the standard iPhone 12 to the iPhone 12 Pro. And well, you see these guys, these are really big hands. These are what I have. On top of one of the most spec'd out phone, another problem that I run into is these guys really keep me from having a small phone and being comfortable. So that leads me to the 4th and final phone that is released this year from Apple, which is Booyah! Yes, sir. This right here, iPhone 12 Pro Max. Oh man, what can I say about this phone? It's gonna have Apple RAW, the RAW photos, not on here yet, but will be coming in the future. It has the Dolby 10-bit, which I'm excited to see because you guys already know I am about that camera life. But without any ado, I didn't want this to be a really long video. I wanted it to be simple, to the point. We're gonna see what's in this guy. Let's start off with, okay, gonna open it up. This packaging is really messing with me because, you know, the iPhone packaging is really bulky. Usually, this is more slim, and I didn't even get a chance to use this guy. I didn't abuse this. Don't worry about it. Set this over to the side. This case, the Polar Pro Light Chaser case. But now we have the iPhone. Slide it out. You know your boy had to get the Pacific Blue joint. Yeah. All right. So let's get into it. This is nice. This is real. New phone. Look at this. Before I get my fingerprints all over it, check that out. Those 3 cameras. The front. I must say, guys, I'm really liking the feel of this. And like I said, I have really big hands. As you can see, really big hands. I am one of the people who won't have any problem with using this with one hand. Because I just have like really big hands. But we're gonna sit this over here to the side. Let's see what we have in the box. We got that lightning to USB-C. No brick. I actually bought a brick. But paperwork, of course. Let's see. A little pin and change the sim. The Apple sticker. Now I have nothing to compare it to, but a lot of people have been saying that it's bigger than the other Apple stickers. Whee! Alright, papers. that's it for the box. Now, as far as accessories that I picked up, I'm giving my daughter my 11, so this is actually a screen for her. Screen protector for her, but got me a screen protector. Since there is no brick, hold on, let's add that brick. My bad. I'm back. Since there is no brick, I got the Apple brick. Now I did order 2 bricks and a cord from Anker, A-N-K-E-R. But they're not here yet, so I just spent 20 bucks. Got this, all right, as well as Apple case. I want the see-through case because I got the Pacific Blue to show off the blue. So I want this right now, not to mention just right now while I'm testing out the phone and everything before we get really into everything. Polar Pro is dropping a light chaser system for the iPhone 12. So I will be picking that up, but in the meantime, I'll be rocking this Apple case. And as crazy as that may sound, yeah, guys, what do you think? New iPhone. I really like this frosted background. Like the back is frosted. It looks really nice. Like if you compare it to this 11, they have the frostiness and the camera hump, and it's glossy. This really feels good in hand, man. Like I don't know what to say. It feels good in hand. Yeah. Oh my god. New phone. Take my money, please. Yeah, I'm gonna be switching these out, and guys, that is our unboxing. So with that being said, about to get out of here. Go check out some other videos, like, subscribe, ring bell notifications so you can be notified every time I bring this guy back out to teach you something. Yeah. Peace. Love you guys.